Good morning everyone, and welcome to another morning in the garden greenhouse. So today my plan is to look at the tomatoes that I planted in the little grow kit that I planted a few weeks ago. I've opened them this morning. I'm pleased to say they have all done quite well. They're all up to their first set of true leaves as well. So we've had the first leaves that come out, and we've then got the true leaves, so they're ready to pot. What I thought I would do is do a little experiment with different potting medias. So I've got my normal potting mix, which is vermiculite, multi-purpose, and there's a little bit of coir in this one as well that I had left over from something else. And I'm going to compare that to this stuff, Black Magic potting soil. It's not something that I've used before, but it sounded rather interesting. So ingredient wise, it sounds like it should be really good. So it's got bat guano, bat poo, worm castings, worm poo, humic acid, biochar. We then also have a few other ingredients. So there's some peat moss in there, which I know a lot of people are against, but there's only a small amount in this. Cocoa coir and aged bark. And we've got some perlite, some zeolite, some mycorrhizal organisms, and then there's a blend of quick and slow release nutrients. So all in all, sounds like a good mix. So for this experiment, we're going to have two groups. We're going to have the Black Magic and we're going to have the normal standard growing mix. Everything else is going to be kept the same. So the plants so far should all be at identical stages in their life cycle. They've all been planted at the same time, grown in the same conditions. They're all going to be planted into these composter pots. And what I will do as well is keep them in the same tray so that they get the same amount of water each. So in terms of splitting all of these up, as you can probably see, the cocoa coir is quite easy to split up in this tray. So all I'm going to do is try and gently tease each plant out. It's important when you do this that you try and tease them out by the leaves rather than by the stems, because the stems can be damaged quite easily. So I'm just going to try and tease this one out. There we go, so that's one teased out, and I'm going to carry on doing that with the rest of these plants. Right, here we go. This is all of those plants separated. I found 14 similar sized plants. There is one smaller plant in there as well, but I may choose to plant that up separately to this experiment. So I want 10 for the experiment, and I've got in all 15 here. So I'm going to pick the 10 strongest looking plants to use for this. I mean, they're all very similar strength, but I will try and mix them evenly between the two groups just to make it as fair as possible. Right, so we have now got the two sets of 5 pots. So we've got the Gardener's Delight Tom multi-purpose and Gardener's Delight Tom's Black Magic. So as you can see, the Black Magic, there's lots of bits of stick and bits of coir and stuff like that, and I have spotted a few of the oh, there's one. Ah, there it is. The little fertiliser balls in them. So I'm hoping that means it's gonna be a really good growing medium. So I'm kind of expecting this lot to do better, but who knows, I could be blown away and be surprised by the multi-purpose and find out that actually all the extra ingredients is a bit of a waste. Right, so let's get them planted. So all I am going to do with these, drop it in that side first, is just drop them down into the holes as far as they'll go. Being careful not to damage them. And I'm then just going to gently firm the soil down around them. Right, let's get on with the next few, and I'll catch up with you afterwards. So this is them all planted up. You can see they're all very similar sized, same sort of point in their life cycle. So we should have a fairly even test. Obviously it's not going to be that scientific, but it'll at least be interesting to see which one does better. So I'll give them a quick water, and then we will catch up with those in the coming weeks and through till the end of the season. So thank you for watching that quick video on this little tomato experiment. As I say, I will keep you updated. We'll follow them up throughout their life and see how they're doing, and hopefully get some nice tasting tomatoes at the end. So thank you for watching. Take care. Happy allotmenting.